All right, so you're here because you want to know what's changing, right? You want to understand the shifts that really matter.
Exactly.
And when it comes to Australian real estate marketing, AI is shaking things up.
Yeah, AI is making some big waves over there.
So in this deep dive, we're going to be looking at how AI is changing how properties are listed and marketed down under.
And we're basing this all on a really interesting short article we came across.
Yeah, so our goal is to pull out the key points.
Mm-hmm.
Like how is AI actually changing the game? What does it mean for people who want to stay ahead of the curve?
Right. Exactly.
So let's just jump right in. One of the first things the article talks about is this whole automated content creation thing.
Yeah, and what's interesting about that is it's not just about, generating property descriptions quickly. It's about AI being able to look at tons of data and figure out like what kind of language, what keywords really appeal to different buyers.
So it's like super targeted descriptions.
Exactly. It could make those descriptions way more effective.
And beyond just, the written descriptions, the article also talks about AI generated video tours.
Oh, yeah.
Like imagine the impact of
Yeah.
that, making virtual walkthroughs so much easier and more accessible.
And if you think about the bigger picture, it's really convenient for potential buyers, especially if they're not local, interstate, or even overseas. They can get a much better feel for the property before they even, step foot in it.
Yeah, that's a huge advantage.
Definitely.
And then to take that all-on experience even further, there's this AI-powered image tagging with platforms like Restb.ai.
Right.
I mean, that sounds like a game changer for online property searches.
Oh, absolutely. I mean, imagine you're searching for a property with a north-facing balcony, and the AI can just instantly identify and tag all the relevant images in a listing.
It's like a super precise search filter.
Exactly. It saves buyers so much time and frustration and makes the whole process way more efficient.
Right, because you're not wading through, tons of irrelevant listings. Okay, so the article also talks about AI chatbots acting as virtual assistants.
Mm-hmm.
Now, we're seeing chatbots everywhere these days, but what's their specific role in Australian real estate?
Well, the article really emphasizes that these aren't just like your basic FAQ bots. They're powered by some pretty advanced AI. They can answer really detailed questions about a property. They can give you information on, local amenities and even handle those first steps of like booking an inspection.
Oh, wow.
And they're available 24/7.
So it's not just about making things easier for agents, it's also about meeting the expectations of buyers who are, increasingly
Yeah.
starting their property search online.
Exactly. Today's buyers want instant information. They want seamless online interactions. And, real estate agents who aren't using these AI tools, they risk falling behind.
Yeah, the article's conclusion really drives that point home.
It does.
It basically says if you're not using AI in your property listings right now, you're probably already falling behind.
It's a strong statement.
So we've talked about AI automating descriptions, producing video tours, intelligently tagging images, and providing 24/7 virtual assistance.
Yeah, it's a lot to take in.
And the key takeaway here is that AI isn't some, futuristic concept. It's happening now. It's reshaping how properties are presented and how people are engaging with the market.
And it's moving fast.
It is. So this all makes me wonder, if AI is transforming Australian real estate marketing this quickly, what other industries are on the verge of similar AI-driven revolutions?
That's a really good question.
How are they going to connect with and serve their customers in this new AI-powered world? It's definitely something to think about.
Definitely food for thought.
All right, thanks for joining us for this deep dive. We'll catch you next time.
See you then.